Okay, folks, I'm ready. Let's take a look outside with the tower cams. Kind of give you a view of every corner of the area, starting here in the middle in Alexandria, where we see the clouds. Likewise, we see visibility is okay though. A little bit less in Stellies down in LeBeau, where we're getting a little rain, and you see a little bit, maybe a little more constant overcast there. Gina, we're looking overcast there as well. Visibility is pretty good, even considering how high the cam is over there. And then going west to Leesville, visibility is reduced there. It is raining, and it's a cold rain, penetrating rain out there in the lower 40s. So coming up, when will the rain end? I've got the answer to that, and temperatures will moderate next week. So my theme for this little weather show is that, well, better weather will follow the rain. Got to take the bad and then get the good. All right, radar showing an area of rain coming into central Louisiana. This will probably be more rain than you've already had for today, and this will linger into Sunday. So this is going to be kind of a event that's going to be, I wouldn't say prolonged, but it's going to be with us for a little bit. May get a little closer view and see that the heavier rainfall is in portions of Vernon Parish, Beauregard, and in between Opelousas and Lafayette in that area. And I can put this on for about an hour's worth of motion. And we see that this is moving pretty much from west to east across the area. It's kind of moving northeast to the west of us, and it kind of makes a clockwise turn a little bit as it comes into central Louisiana. There's certainly going to be some thunderstorms with this, I think, for some folks. So don't be surprised if you hear some rumbles of thunder with this. But severe potential, I think, is out of the picture with this one. So that's good news. Satellite and radar. Here's a little surface high to the northeast of us. That's still kind of what's left over of the really cold weather that we had earlier the past week. So you notice it just never really warmed up today. We stayed in the 40s for highs because of clouds keeping the temperature from rising. And then, of course, here's the little rainfall situation that we're looking at here across the area for the nighttime and into tomorrow. It's associated with the main trigger associated with a little dip in the jet stream that you see right into here. So we got west-northwest flow here and then west-southwest flow. So in that area, that's where the air is being accelerated. There are physical forces which are causing the weather to change. And so we saw some good days, and now we're seeing some days where Saturday and Sunday, both with the rain kind of dominating the picture there. All right, let's set you up for the future cast here over the next couple of days to see off on during the night. Rain 100% coverage, I would say. When we get out for church in the morning for the middle part of the morning, I think we'll still see a pretty good chance of rain. Wouldn't be a bad idea. I would take my umbrella, and if you're going. And then into the Sunday evening, say around 6 p.m., we'll start to see the event ending as the rain will scatter out. We'll see less coverage and less heavier rainfall. And then by Monday morning, back to work and school for your commute, I think things are looking okay. Could be a little patchy fog now and then, but I think the rain will be over with at that time. And Monday turns out to be a pretty good day. Weekend rainfall potential here for the area. I've got just about everybody in at 100%. Got a little area 90% up to the north there toward Natchitoches and Winfield. This is going to be an event that is going to be heavier to the south of us. So the common amount, less than an inch across central Louisiana, but there could be 2 to 3 inches in some rain counters down across our southern parishes, I believe, say Beauregard, Evangeline, Allen, St. Landry, Avoyelles Parish, somewhere in those locations. We could see that 2 to 3 inches. May not be a general total, but I think somebody could pick that up out of this. And again, this will be for what we've gotten through now and what we'll get overnight and into Sunday. So it's kind of an event total, if you will. So Futurecast, let's look ahead for a little bit. So this is a little system that we're looking at right here. You see this little dip in the jet stream right in through here. That is that trough that I pointed out earlier that is creating the rain that we're getting here now and that we'll get on Sunday. And once we go past that, we'll let that run through and then we'll see a break. But the next system will begin to take over by the, say, Wednesday, Thursday time frame. This will be associated with another cold front. You see a ridge building out west. You see this northward bend of the warmer air, of course, and so that is what we call a ridge, a warm bubble of air, and we ride down the ridge, and so we'll get another weather system, another trough which will come into the area. And I really think that there's going to be a little bit of a rain chance with that. There'll be a little bit of onshore flow. It won't be much, but with the dynamics with this, there'll be a surface cold front associated with it. So I did retain some midweek rain probabilities for that. All right, so let's go beyond that. You see that system works out to the east, but we'll start watching another system out across Southern California there, as that may migrate in our direction, bring us a rain chance or a change in the weather there after our 7-day forecast. So let's go into that right now and check those 7-day numbers. So virtually a near 100% rainfall here for tonight and into Sunday. Then about 40, 47 for your temperature. So it'll be another chilly, raw, kind of wet day for Sunday. Monday, we start to see a partly sunny sky there, at least some sun breaking through the clouds, enough to get us to 62 for high. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, we warm up even more with 70 to 73. So that will feel nice. Partly cloudy days, no rain anticipated through the middle of the week. A little bit slower than anticipated. If you saw my forecast the past couple of days, I've been keeping 10% in for Wednesday. So I shifted that to Thursday morning for a 10% AM there and retained a rain chance Wednesday night. Got about a 20 to 30 rain chance there for Wednesday night. With that weather system and that cold front coming in. The front makes a little difference, especially in the morning temperature Friday as we dip into the upper 30s to the lower middle 40s across Cenla in most locations. Be a sunny day though, and then mostly sunny to start off your weekend, next weekend, with a 44 and 74. That's pretty good temperatures this time of year. All right, let me take you beyond this for just a quick look at your beginning of March there. Looks like we'll be near normal in temperatures. There's a little above area to the southwest of us, this area right here, and then below across portions of the west and then back east. Rainfall outlook, we've got above over most of the country, and so we'll be kind of in that regime. All right, Nick will be with you tomorrow. I'll be around in the forecast center. I may not do a stream, but I'll be doing one on Monday. So have a blessed Sunday. Take care, and thanks for your support of Cenla.